Mm. Hi. So for today, we are going to talk about the word unsa. So unsa is a Bisaya equivalent of what in English. In Filipino, it's ano. So let's have some examples using the word unsa. Unsa imong pangalan? Unsa imong pangalan means what is your name? What is your name? Unsa imong gusto? Unsa imong gusto is what do you like? Unsa imong gihuna-huna? It means, what are you thinking? Unsa imong ginabasa? What are you reading? Unsa imong trabaho? It means, what is your work? How about you? Can you come up with questions that start with the word unsa? Feel free to drop your answers in the comment section below. Till next time, bye!